The current worldwide public health crisis caused by the COVID-19 pandemic has affected nearly 4 billion people in their everyday life and disrupted industries like retail trade, travel, tourism, and more. Private and public sectors heavily disrupted by government's severe restrictions to stay home in order to assure public safety. Worldwide public health safety restrictions have postponed the operation of many industries, leaving them and their employees in unprecedented conditions. Humanity needs to ensure that in the post-COVID crisis era, people may return back to the daily life in an objectively riskless fashion. The big challenge is for the citizens to stay healthy in public places, for instance airports, malls, and halls, while maintaining the public safety. CovIDpass is a privacy-preserving and secure infrastructure for the issuance and validation of the COVID-19 Digital Immunity Certificate of citizens, enabling them to stay safe in crowded places. CovIDpass aims at providing the solution to the public health risk by offering the infrastructure to certify, verify, and validate the COVID immunity of the citizens, allowing them to enter public places, for example malls, airports, concert halls, in an objective and indisputable fashion. CovIDpass takes advantage of the immunity status of the citizens. The immunity status can be achieved by doing the immunity test, a type of blood test that looks for the presence of antibodies after virus healing, or the vaccination against SARS-CoV-2 in a private or public medical services provider. Once the medical actions are performed, the authorized and enrolled in CovIDpass platform personnel are presented with a web application in order to generate and issue the digital immunity certificate. Once information is submitted, the following events are taking place. The digital certificate is being generated. The required data are being encrypted and stored inside the blockchain node of a private network. An encrypted QR code is generated and sent to the citizen by email. A CovIDpass e-card is generated in order to be downloaded by the citizen and stored inside the iOS or Android e-wallet. Once the citizen needs to enter public places, the authorized and enrolled personnel utilize the CovIDpass mobile app for QR scanning in order to scan citizens' CovIDpass. The scanning of the e-card verifies the immunity of the citizen, validates the data of the digital immunity certificate, and validates the digital certificate itself. Once the digital immunity certificate is approved, the citizen may safely enter the place with other approved people and ensure his health status. In this way, the citizens in public places will be safe without the risk of spreading the virus. CovIDpass benefits society in several areas. Governmental bodies by providing a standardized and secure mechanism to monitor immunity as well as the ability to create and impose policies. Tourism and aviation by providing an improved safety for personnel and indisputable safety for travelers. Citizens by helping return to everyday life in the post-COVID era and gradually restart routine, business and traveling activities. Enter safe, exit healthy. Learn more at covidpass.io.